Hello ladies and gentlemen, Ripichas here, and I'll show you this pretty interesting endgame problem. So white is piece up, but they have some problems. Yeah, they have only one pawn left, and if black manages to capture it or trade it, then it's a draw. And black's king is actually quite active. Yeah, it's if black king is on h6, then it's immediately white wins just by moving king forward, and this knight controls the g4 square. So it's white turn to move. We can't actually, play this move because king h2, just attacking here, and king to g4, and next move we play g5, and it's a draw. So what are other options? I'd play, I don't know, h4 is also doesn't help us because king to h2. Let's play king f2, king h3, knight g2, and again, knight king to g4 with g5 inevitable. So the right move here is knight to g4. Only one legal move is g5 because now h2 is taken. And how do we play further? If we start like maneuvering with knight king to f2, again it shows up that king is taking this weird spot, like playing this both moves draw, but okay, let's play king to g2. King to e3 and king to g3. And actually, white cannot move here. We cannot play g5 with black because white will take hg and win. But king has to protect the knight, and knight protects the pawn. So, I mean, just play like this and nothing happens. It's a total draw. So in this position, let's go back. In this position, white has to think something else. King f2 is actually it's a draw because it's a stalemate. If we go here, then again king to g2, and we capture the pawn on h3. And this is, like I said, a draw because white king cannot stop defending the knight. So in this position, white wins with h4 move. Black has only one legal move. They have to capture it because king cannot go to h2. And white makes this move, king to f2. Only one legal move, h3, king f1, h2, and knight to f2, checkmate. Okay, hope that was interesting. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.